Hi friends, in today's lecture we will study how to use the sequence function in Excel 365. Remember, this function works only in Excel 365. So before I show you the function, first we'll understand when and how to use it. Suppose I want to write the numbers between 1 to 1000 sequentially. Then what is the normal procedure we adopt? We type 1, we hit enter. Then we type 2 and we hit enter. So I'm typing 1, enter, 2, enter. Then we select both the cells and then we bring the mouse to the right corner, which is called till we get the fill handle, and we drag it down, okay, and go on dragging till we come to the number 1000. Now that is very painstaking. So alternately in Excel 365 you have a function called as sequence. So if you just type equal to sequence, open parenthesis, and just type I want numbers up to 1000 and close parenthesis and hit enter. So it will show you all the numbers between 1 to 1000. If you want between 1 to 10, then you type equal to sequence, open parenthesis, and just type 10, close parenthesis and hit enter, and you get numbers between 1 to 10. So isn't it a useful function? Now the function has several other parameters. So let me show you the parameters of this function. So the sequence function returns a sequence of numbers, and there are 4 parameters: rows, columns, start, and step. Out of them, the first parameter is compulsory, hence I have not written it in square brackets. It means you have to specify the number of rows to return. So if I want 1 to 1000, I'll just type 1000. If I want 1 to 10, I will just type 10. Now the second parameter is an optional parameter. Here you can specify the number of columns you want to return. We'll see that in a short while. Then the third parameter is start. It specifies the first number you want to start in the sequence. And the step value specifies the value to increment. So let me show you the sequence function utilizing all these 4 parameters. So again we'll come back to Excel 365, and here I type the equal to sequence function and I give open parenthesis. So first it is asking me how many rows to return. So supposing I want to return 20 rows. So I type 20, then I type comma. Then it is asking me, you want the data to be split into how many columns? So supposing I want it to be split into 4 columns, comma. Now it is asking me what is the start value. So I want the start value as 1, comma. And you want to increment by what? So I want to increment it by 1. I will close parenthesis and I will hit enter. So you can see that I get 20 rows and it is split into 4 columns. The start number is 1 and it increments by 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and so on till you get 80. Let me show you for a smaller value so that you understand it better. Again I type equal to sequence. I give open parenthesis, number of rows. Suppose in this time I select only 4 rows. Number of columns, I select 4 columns. Start value, this time I select 10 and increment by 1. I'll close parenthesis and I will hit enter. So you can see I get 4 rows, 1, 2, 3, 4. I get 4 columns, 1, 2, 3, 4. And I start with 10 and go on incrementing the values by 1 till I fill the entire matrix. Now you can also have it in the negative format. So example, if I type equal to sequence, I give open parenthesis and I specify that I want 4 rows and I want 4 columns and I want to start value as 100 and I want to this time decrement by 1. So I will say -1 and then I will close parenthesis and hit enter. So you can see it's starting by 100 and it's going on decreasing the value by 1 till it fills the entire matrix. So remember, in this sequence function, there is one parameter is compulsory. So you can't just type sequence, open and close parenthesis and leave it. But one parameter is compulsory and that is the number of rows. So if I want 5 rows, I'll just type 5, close parenthesis and hit enter. So friends, hope you have learned something new in this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And we'll see you again in the next video. Till that time, goodbye.